And now, your Storm Shield forecast with NBC26 meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
You know, at least in the Green Bay area, we've seen some improvements with the fog, but still that dense fog advisory continues out there tonight and through much of the morning tomorrow for many areas. So it's going to be foggy out there. Visibility as low as a quarter mile potentially, and that's going to be widespread. So slow down, use those low beam headlights if you have them, and definitely leave plenty of distance between you and the person ahead of you. Here's a look at visibility across the area. Visibility down to 1.25 miles in Green Bay, but it was a lot lower than that earlier this evening. But along the lake shore, that's where we're seeing some of the worst of the visibility, down to 1/4 mile from Ephraim all the way down through Sheboygan. 1/2 mile visibility right now in Clintonville as well as Appleton. Here's a look outside in Green Bay, 34 degrees. East-northeast wind at 3 miles per hour. We have very light winds. We melted some more snow today. There's a lot of moisture in the air, and that's what's helping to produce some of this fog tonight. 30 degrees right now in Appleton. Winds are calm there. Humidity at 100%. And not only are we going to deal with the fog out there tonight, but also freezing rain potential. That's mainly going to be off to the north and west of the Fox Valley and Green Bay. Could see upwards of a glaze to as much as 0.2 of an inch of ice with some of that freezing rain later tonight. But it's all going to depend on what the surface temperatures are as we move through the overnight hours. Right now, starting to see some of that rainfall moving into Fond du Lac, Oshkosh, just to the south and west of Appleton. But right now, dry conditions currently in Green Bay. But a lot of moisture here, and this is all going to stream up to the north as we go through the next several hours. Here's a look at your day planner for Friday. Could see a little bit of freezing rain in spots early on tomorrow, but for the most part, this should all change over to plain rain. We'll continue with periods of rain even into the afternoon, maybe a little bit of a dry spell, but then we'll just have some spotty shower chances and drizzle on into tomorrow night. Currently, temperatures, many areas are seeing readings above freezing, but where we have those surface temperatures at or below freezing, that's where we could see a little bit of freezing rain out there. So we'll watch that closely. Here's a look at Skycast up to the north. That's the best chance in that pink shaded area of seeing some freezing rain. And then tomorrow, just plain rain on and off throughout the day. Have that umbrella handy. You're going to need it. And then as we head on into tomorrow night, just a few spotty showers or some drizzle possible tomorrow night and then on through the weekend as well. Here's a look at the ice forecast. Again, the highest amounts off to the north and west. It doesn't take much to cause issues. This won't be as big of an event as we had earlier this week, but could see some slick spots out there overnight into early tomorrow. Rainfall amounts, lesser amounts to the north, but several areas picking up between 1/4 of an inch to some areas as much as 1/2 inch of rain. Your forecast tonight down to 32, cloudy and foggy, some dense fog possible. Also, we'll have those icy conditions, especially north and west of the Fox Valley and Green Bay, but we're going to have to monitor those temperatures. If they hit freezing or below, we could see some freezing rain be an issue even for areas that aren't included in that advisory. Stephanie will keep you posted tomorrow morning. 37 for tomorrow, cloudy and foggy, periods of rain. Your extended forecast looking like this. It's going to be just a damp, dreary stretch of weather really over the next 7 days. It's going to be mild this weekend, highs in the lower 40s, but some on and off showers. Next week, though, looks like, I know you want some accumulating snow. I know you do. Midweek next week, Billy, we could get some of that.
I'm turning to Tuesday and Wednesday with high hopes and hopefully low temps.
Yeah, this is just crazy. Our average high is 24, but we are well above that. Well, doesn't feel like winter.
Doesn't always feel good to be above average.
Yeah, not always.
Thanks, Matt.
Yep.